welcome back, or hello if you are new. My name is Sadie. Today's video is another cozy fall day at home, except today I plan to pull out all the fall feels. I have quite the list of things that I want to achieve today. So the first one, I want to craft and make coffee. I plan on coloring and probably making some spooky little ghosts for a garland. And then later in the evening, I want to make another soup. I made a lasagna soup in my last video and that was good. This time I want to focus on making a more light, like vegetable soup. So I'm going to share that with you guys. And then to finish off this video in the evening, which I'm super excited about, I'm going to be decorating my living room to make a nice spooky movie night. So I already pulled out some Halloween decor and I'm going to decorate the living room and make it super cozy, spooky, and fun. And then I'll head to Target to get the snacks for that later in the evening, and that will kind of wrap up the video for today. But I'm super excited. We're gonna go ahead and make a coffee and get to crafting. All that being said, let's hop in. Okay, so I just made my pumpkin spice. I'm having it hot instead of iced today because my jaw is quite fatigued. I wasn't feeling good over the weekend. I had a dentist appointment for regular cleaning and that just really put me over the edge. So I was bedridden over the weekend. Have fun. I'm opting for hot coffee today and it's really nice. I'm gonna go craft now. So today I'm going to color this pumpkin one. So as I'm coloring this, I just realized that I use the same color palette as the first page. And I kind of got lazy because my hands are tired. taken Free out. It is later in the evening. I'm gonna head to Target, but I did want to mention that soup was just not for me. I am not feeling the flavor. I think there's just like a lot of things going on for my liking. It was fun to try out. Probably not gonna make another soup in my next video. It's probably gonna be like a pasta or just like French toast. I don't know. So I'm going to wait for Free to finish up, and then I'm gonna head to Target, get my snacks, and then I'm gonna start decorating the living room. Or no, I'm gonna make some cookies first and then go to Target and have the movie night, which is gonna be fun.